Has this ever happened to you? You open up a program, but it doesn't appear on screen. You can see it in your taskbar, check multiple desktops, check the task manager, and you just can't find it on screen. The solution is actually the same as it's been since Windows 3.0, but it's been hidden in modern versions of Windows. I'm going to show you step by step how to fix it and prevent it from happening again. First, a little dive into what's going on and why it's happening. Here's probably all the things you've tried and why this is so frustrating. You use Alt-Tab and see that the program is running. You check Task Manager and see that it's there. You end the task, reopen the program, and the window still doesn't appear. You even launch multiple desktops and drag it to a new desktop, but it still doesn't appear. Snapping windows to the left and the right doesn't work. Opening multiple desktops and dragging them to different ones doesn't work. Even rebooting doesn't fix the problem. As I mentioned in the intro, this is an issue that's plagued users for literally generations, starting with Windows 3.0 and Windows 95. I remember doing desktop support and doing this trick for people who just could not find the window when it was open. Other desktop people couldn't figure this out and went the nuclear option by completely uninstalling and reinstalling the program. And Microsoft Office literally came on 29 floppy disks back in the day, so reinstalling Office for a client was an entire afternoon. I'm going to reveal the secret, and I have a lot more tutorials to fix lots of things with Windows and your favorite gadgets. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you know about them. This issue can more often occur after you've changed monitor configurations. Basically, the program thinks it's supposed to be at a certain coordinate on a certain monitor, and that monitor is no longer there. So the window is open, but just off screen. In previous versions of Windows, you could right-click, select Move, and then use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the window back into the stage, the visible part of your desktop. In modern versions of Windows, Windows 10 and 11, that option's still there, but it's hidden. In your taskbar, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then right-click on the icon of the program that's not showing up. You can now see the Move option. Click on Move, then use the arrow keys on your keyboard until you finally see the window. Once you see the window, you can then use your mouse as you normally would to move the window around. Give this video a like if it saved your bacon. Since this was helpful, why not share it with somebody? Close the window and reopen it to verify that the window's opening coordinates have been set so you don't run into this issue again. I have a lot of other videos on how to fix stuff in Windows, so why don't you click on this playlist and go through them.